Here we have an old Janitrol unit. You can see it says Janitrol right over here. This thing does not even have a data panel. It's really old. And really small too. Oh, here's the data panel. It's just extremely faded and it's pretty much gone. And it's currently off, as you can see. It's got 3 fan blades. Not sure it's heat pump or straight cool. Over here is a Frigidaire, supposedly high efficiency unit. And it's currently off, 3 fan blades, and it's a straight cool. And the model number of the Frigidaire is FS3BA-036KA. It's a 3-ton unit. Serial number is FSA030307828. This one unit's obviously much newer than Janitrol. I was actually kind of surprised to find this Janitrol. But yeah, a really old Janitrol and a newer Frigidaire unit. Over and out.